To download the latest update for Windows 11, make sure to connect to the internet. Go to your search bar and type Settings. Click on the Settings icon to open. On the left panel, click on Windows Update. Here you will see the latest available updates. Click Download and Install All and wait for the install and download to be done. This process is usually automatic and it takes just a few seconds, up to 2 minutes. For this, I will just click No, download and install, try on, and we will wait. Here you should see the progress of the download and the install. Once the download and the install is completed, you will be prompted to restart your computer, and this should solve the problem of the updates.